Class 12. Now today we are going to learn a new lesson from integral calculus chapter number 7. So in integral calculus, so today's lesson is integrals of some particular functions. So in integrals of some particular functions, we have to learn first these formulas. There are 6 formulas. So in formula number 1 by integration of 1 by x square minus a square or dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. So in formula number 2, integration of dx by, here it is x square minus a square and it is a square minus x square. So formula is 1 by 2a log, here it is x minus a because here x square minus a square. So in case of x square minus a square, there is x minus a by x plus a. So in case of a square minus x square, there is a plus x by a minus x plus c. So next formula is integration of dx by x square plus a square. So x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now this formula number 4, dx by root under x square minus a square. So root under, here it is root. So in case of root, log x. In case of root, it is root, this one is root, this one is also root. So in case of root, here it is x square minus a square. So log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. So next is a square minus x square, it is inside the root. So dx by a square minus x square equals to sine inverse x by a plus c. And last one is dx by root under x square plus a square equals to log x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. Okay. Now here it is x square minus a square. If x square is at starting, then the formula will be log x plus root under x square minus a square, or if there is plus, you have to put here plus. So in this case, here it is a square minus x square. So starting function is a square minus x square. So in this case, the formula will be sine inverse x by a plus c. The last one is same, x square, here it is plus, here it is plus. So instead of minus, only we have to put plus sign. Here it is same, so plus, it is plus, it is plus. Now let us take some example of this type. Suppose example, integrate dx by x square minus 4. Now this is the given function. X square minus 4 is the given function. Now first we have to make it into standard form or particular function. Now first make it into particular function or standard form. Dx by, so it is x square. Now what is 4? 4 is the square of 2. Now this function compare with these formulas. So this is matched with this formula, x square minus a square. A is any real number. So x square minus a square, here it is x square minus 2 square. So 2 is a, any real number. Now we can put the formula. So this equals to 1 by 2a. Instead of a, there is 2 log x minus a. So x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 plus c. So this will be 1 by 4 log x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c. This is the case for number 1. Now we can take another example. Suppose if you have 1 by dx by x square plus 4. Now first make it into particular function or standard function. So this will be integration of dx by, it is x square plus, this is 2 square, 4 is the square of 2. Now compare this function with these formulas. So this function is matched with x square plus a square, x square plus a square. Here it is x square plus a is 2. So we can put the formula. This equals to 1 by a. 1 by a is 2. Tan inverse x by a, x is x, by a is 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, suppose the question is this type. Find the integral of 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13. So for this type of question, first we have to make this form into x square a square form by using completing the square. In solution, first we will write the given function 1 by x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. So completing the square, first we will make this equation. This is quadratic equation. First we will make this equation into a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for a plus b whole square, we have to make first a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square. Now this is the case of completing the square. For a minus b whole square, we have to make first minus a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square. So first find out b. A is x. Now what is b? Here it is x square minus 2 into y minus, because in between x square and x there is minus sign. If there is plus, we will make a plus b whole square. If there is minus, we will make a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2 into a is x. Now what is b? If you multiply 2 with b, you will get same number 6x. So it is 3. Because 2 into 3 is 6. Now b is this number. This number is b, plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now again we have to put minus b square plus 13 dx. Okay, look here. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square. Why we put here minus b square? It is for balancing this equation. If you cut these two, you will get same equation. For balancing, we will put minus 3 square here. So integration of 1 by Now from here x square to 3 square, it can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So minus 3 square it is minus 9 plus 13 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 13 is plus 4 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by x minus 3 whole square plus 4 is the square of 2 dx. So it is in the form of integration of dx by x square plus a square. So formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This whole quantity is x. X minus 3 is considered as x. So we can write, so integration of this quantity is 1 by a. 1 by a is 2. Tan inverse x is x minus 3 by a is 2 plus c. Now this is the answer. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, now the question is find the integral of 1 by x square plus 4x plus 8. So first we will write the given function in integrated form, 1 by x square plus 4x plus 8 dx. So this will be, now apply the completing the square method for this equation. 1 by x square plus a square plus y plus, because in between x square and x there is a plus sign, so we will make it into a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a into b. So what is b? If you multiply b with 2, you will get 4x. So b is 2 plus b square. Now again we have to put minus b square plus 8 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by now it is a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. 2 square is 4, so it is minus 4 plus 8 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by x plus 2 whole square plus 2 square, because the square of 2 is 4 dx. Now we know that integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now we can put the formula. So this is 1 by a, 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 2 by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer. Okay, this was for today. From next class I will start the exercise, that is 7.4. Thank you.